Day 2.
Susah.
Day 2.
Coba lah fresh barida.
Yeah, stay tuned for some run.
Hi guys, so today is day 2. We've just had our breakfast. We're about to go out for quad bike. Stay tuned.
Quad bikes. Stay tuned.
We're just cycling to the outdoor activity center. It's a bit further from all the other activities. When we get there, the daddies will be the first ones to do their quad bike, and then myself and Mommy Mali will also do the quad bike, and the little girls will be doing their adventure explorers in their mini cars. Tom and Brian are ready for their quad bike session. They've got their overalls and helmets for safety, ready to go.
Are you ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
Yep.
Quad bike.
Hi, Mama Titi. Catch up. Catch up.
I'm excited to join my car. Is it started?
All right, what else do you need to get?
Cheese.
All right, let's go.
You enjoy? That was fun.
Let's go.
It's a train. That's the lunch train. Yeah, so Mama T, Mama Mali, and Daddy Mali, they have opted going the long way, the car way, and they say it's much easier than the bike way, and I've opted going the cycle way. So we'll try and see who's going to get there faster and who is going to be more tired. So yep, let's go. Woo! We did it. Guys, we did the Cascade Way. I'm out of breath, sorry. But yeah, we're the first ones. We are number. We are home. We win. We win. We win.
Cascade Way. That was not fun. Oh my days. So we're going for 10-field bowling at Leisure Bowl. The atmosphere is lively, modern. Honestly, it's perfect for family fun. Not only can you enjoy a great game of bowling, but there are also pool tables where you can play pool as a family. There's also a little arcade for the little ones where they can have their own fun while the adults are bowling. As you can see, there are loads of sitting areas which are very cozy, where you can also just sit and relax and order a drink. This is our last activity for today. The girls are very tired and sleepy. We'll be heading back to our cabin and rest, ready for day 3. We'll be doing the area tree trekking and zip lining. Then, drum roll, giant water slide at the subtropical swimming paradise. Thank you.